Hi everyone, welcome to LearnLab. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping our world as we speak, Agentic AI. You've probably heard a lot about AI, but Agentic AI is a whole new level. It's not just about asking a chatbot a question. It's about giving an AI a complex goal and watching it figure out all the steps to achieve it, all on its own. Imagine telling an AI, plan a week-long trip to Tokyo for 2 people on a $2,000 budget. And it not only creates an itinerary, but also books the flights, reserves the hotel, and even buys tickets for attractions. That's the power of Agentic AI. It acts like a digital agent, working autonomously to complete tasks that would normally require a team of people. So, the big question on everyone's mind is, will this super smart AI take our jobs? The honest answer is, it's complicated. Certain jobs, especially those that are repetitive, data-driven, or involve coordinating complex logistics, are definitely at risk. Think about roles like data entry clerks, customer service representatives who handle standard queries, or even some aspects of project management and digital marketing. An AI agent could analyze market data, launch an ad campaign, monitor its performance, and adjust it in real time, far faster than a human ever could. It can sift through thousands of resumes to find the perfect candidate or manage a company's entire social media presence, from content creation to scheduling and community engagement. But before we all start panicking, let's look at the other side of the coin. This isn't the first time technology has transformed the job market. The invention of the personal computer didn't eliminate all office jobs. It created entirely new ones, like software developers, IT support specialists, and digital designers. Agentic AI will likely do the same. New roles will emerge that we can't even imagine yet. We might see jobs like AI trainers, who teach AI agents how to perform their tasks better, or AI ethicists, who ensure these powerful systems are used responsibly. There will be a huge demand for people who can design, manage, and oversee these AI agents. The focus will shift from doing the tasks yourself to defining the goals and strategies for the AI to execute. So, how do you prepare for this future? The key is to focus on skills that AI can't easily replicate. I'm talking about creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Can an AI brainstorm a truly original marketing campaign from scratch? Not yet. Can it empathize with a frustrated customer and provide a genuinely personal solution? Unlikely. Can it lead a team, inspire motivation, and navigate complex human relationships? Definitely not. These uniquely human skills will become more valuable than ever. Instead of competing with AI, we need to learn how to collaborate with it. Think of it as the most powerful tool you've ever had. A graphic designer could use an agentic AI to generate dozens of initial concepts in minutes, freeing them up to focus on refining the best ideas and adding their unique artistic touch. The rise of agentic AI is not an endpoint for human work, but an evolution. It's a call to action for all of us to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace change. The future of work won't be about man versus machine, but man with machine. By focusing on our human strengths and learning to leverage these incredible new technologies, we can not only stay relevant, but also unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. The jobs of tomorrow will be different, but they will be there for those who are ready to embrace the future. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, boost, and subscribe so that you won't miss the next video.